on green, I'm going for it.
So today's challenge, we are recreating Fast and Furious scene, which is Brian Supra and Dom's Charger. Is that right?
Yeah.
Did I get that the right way around? Yep.
Yeah.
Brian Supra, which is an absolute beast, and Dom's Charger, where they did a big drag race and then something happened with the train, and basically, yeah, so we're going to be recreating that today.
Sounds good. Have you even watched Fast and Furious?
Oh God.
Don't tell me I didn't.
Well.
That's very disappointing.
No, not really. I just don't like films.
Oh.
I've watched Need for Speed and stuff, but I've never been like bothered to watch that
Need
many
Speed's
car
a good film.
films. So yeah, who's gonna be the Supra? Can I be the Supra?
Yeah, you can be super.
I could be the Supra. Oh, I want to be the Supra because the Supra is an absolute beast. So let's just head to the the festival, and get into our cars, and then we can recreate the race.
It is the John Street front bumper.
Yep, that looks about right. Rear wing.
And the John rear wing.
Yep.
What we call it. The Bomb X Street racing bumper thing.
Bumper, yep. Side skirts.
Bomb X side skirts.
And the hood.
And John the hood.
John the hood. Oh, okay, that already looks insane. Okay, we're running 842 brake horsepower. Is that alright?
Yeah.
I'd say that's alright. So there we go. Now we've got to fit on the design. F. I'm going with what you're saying. F. And... oh, there you go. F. Yes, come on. Yeah, look at that, boy. Holy moly, that is nice. Oh, which one do I choose, though? Oh. I think that one's the most popular.
I found a train crossing, by the way, and a good route.
That one's the best. I'm going to go that one. There we go. We've got Brian Supra.
How much has yours
Looking
got?
sexy. Mine's got 400. No, not 400. 842, I think. Oh, that is a beast.
Oh.
That is
This thing's
nice.
so long.
That's right. So, what is the route that we're going to take?
I'll show you.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay. This is
Oh,
where
yes.
we were, was the finish of the event, the finish of the race.
Okay. Oh,
Show you
this
the
is a
start of
beast.
So there's the
Sorry,
train.
I just had to go through the train. This Supra sounds so good. And it's right-hand drive
in the film,
as
that's
well.
meant to max out at 195, but I'm pretty sure you'd be going quicker than that.
I'm not at the moment. 195. Yeah, I'm going over that now. Okay, well, it maxed out about 210, 211.
Ooh.
Yeah, oh yeah. Up that
And then
lane,
like-
up there.
And then,
There, yeah.
and then to the, there's a little thing here.
Yep, there, yeah.
We go there. That's where the train goes across. So yeah, I'll just do 3, 2, 1.
Alright. Come on, say it.
No, you do it. You do it.
No, you do it.
Why? You do it.
I don't want to do it. You do it.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh God! Oh no!
God, no. Let's just start again, because I...
That was the worst start
on.
I've ever seen in my life. Right, I'm ready. Right, let's redo it.
Right. So, I'm going to say it. I'm just do a demonstration. So you go 3,
Safety.
2,
right, carry on.
1,
yeah.
go. Like that.
Go, yeah.
So you go on go, okay? 3, 2,
oh!
1. Go.
You just will win. Oh no. Oh no, you just will. Unless you crash. I'm catching you though, I'm catching you. You?
Most likely.
Oh, you probably max out more, don't you? Oh, well, what's happened to you? Okay, I shouldn't. Oh God, oh God, oh God, okay. Rear wheel drive! And I've absolutely smashed it, haven't I? Trust me to do that. oh.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, that was an awful start. Right, anyway.
Mike's delayed, that's why.
Oh God, come on. Right hand drive.
Come on, American horse.
American horse. And the Japanese beast. That's what this is, the Japanese beast. Alright, come on. We're catching. Yeet. Oh God, it's the turning that gets me every single time. I'm maxed out and the turning. Oh God, oh God. Okay, I sort of redeemed myself from that. Yeet. Not really though, I'm concentrating too much. Where would the train be? Is it down here or have we got to chase it more?
The jump thing.
Yeah, we can do that and follow the train. Right, come on train.
Oh, train's gone.
Do you think?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's there! Oh, I flipped it! Oh, okay, almost flipped the secret. It's there. It's there.
Oh my God.
Right, okay, we're still racing, we're still racing. Did you see mine? I just absolutely been. Yeah, we're racing till we have to try and pass the train, and we have to recreate that scene. That happens basically. Right, come on. Okay, it's gone under the tunnel. Oh Jesus.
It's fine.
Right, here we go. Come on. Catch this thing up. Oh no, you're catching me. You're catching me. Oh God. Right, where's the train? Oh, there it is. No, you caught me. How have you done that then? Oh no, I've binned it. I've binned it. Okay, no, I haven't. It's right in front of us. Do you see it now?
Oh yeah, I see it. I see it.
Right, come on. This is good. We could recreate this scene. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. What was that voice crack? Oh no, I've had like 8 today.
Oh my God, that was so close.
Right, come on. Oh, Kieran,
Yes.
I'm going one side, you're getting the other. You're in front. Oh God, okay, come on. You've done it, I haven't. Come on. No, come on. Yes. Okay, it wasn't as accurate. But that was alright. I thought, yeah, now you've got a crash.
The actual
even
crash,
even though it's got nothing to do with it. Well, no, it does, but like the bridge and oh, blimey!
Really?
Here he is, attempt number 3.
Really?
Here we go. Oh!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
We've relocated. Come on, Kieran, right. Your aim is just to flip the car. I'm going to be down here. This isn't really what happens on the scene.
Yes, there we go. You flipped it.
But that
That's
was
all we
a
need.
okay attempt. Right guys, that will be the end of the video. I hope you did enjoy this video. A bit of a different video, but really wanted to do it as, you know, my friend's big Fast and Furious fan. I will watch it, I promise, I will watch it. But yeah, I hope you did enjoy this recreation, as you guys seem to like the Cars 3 recreation. I really enjoyed making that. We thought we'd do another one, so yeah. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe and everything. Remember, every other day, new video. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh.